What is the most important thing to keep in mind about hiring a DWI lawyer? Attorney Eric Sachs explains that. The most important thing to keep in mind is not to find the cheap lawyer. Save the headache, save the heartache, save tens of thousands of dollars by hiring an experienced DUI defense lawyer. Start with that, and have that lawyer work with you to help you through these issues. The best outcome that you can hope for is to have a dismissal or an acquittal of your DUI case. In almost every single DWI case, like almost every criminal case, there are defenses that can be found and can be used. Just because the government says it is something does not make it so. Just because there is a breath alcohol reading or a blood alcohol reading, something over 0.08%, does not mean that the reading or that number is accurate. There are numerous things that will affect those outcomes, whether from a breath test, blood test, or a urine test. These tests are often affected by a lot of external factors. By having an experienced DWI defense lawyer, they will know what to look for. Sometimes, the district attorney's office makes a plea bargain that is acceptable to the people. Sometimes the attorneys go to trial and are very successful in defending these cases and coming out with very successful conclusions for their clients. If you hire a lawyer that does not know how to look for these things and does not know what specific things are, the collateral issues involved, and even going through the discovery, then there is very little hope for a person to actually find a successful conclusion. That is why it is important to find an experienced DWI defense attorney. The law offices of Eric Sachs have handled all of these types of cases. We have had successful conclusions to all of these types of cases. That's why it's very important that people find an experienced lawyer. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Eric Sachs in New York at 516-679-0400 or visit his website at www.esaxlaw.com.